Okay, where are we at?
We're going to Arenal. We are downtown
She doesn't know where she is. She's at Cafe Delicious and she's ordered a cappuccino frio.
Okay.
This is the bead lady.
Okay. The bead lady. Okay, here's the bus.
10, 11.
And it's my new girlfriend.
It's nice. Thanks.
Look for those cuckoos.
I said, he's just now getting on.
Yeah. Wow.
Ya comió.
No, me lo estás alistando.
Pretty waters.
Look at that pretty bird. Oh, he was sitting right on the railing.
Oh, you scared it away.
Oh, it's a what?
Is that place, the steak place in the downtown?
Wow. Hey, Steve, get one for me, would you?
Wow, how pretty. You sure look familiar.
I wasn't going to take any.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Look at the boat.
I know. Beautiful. Rain goddess.
You have to have a taxi.
Yeah, where's Ken? Oh, here he comes.
I'm just going to walk in front of you.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Mike.
Save this route for I'm glad to see you're here today. You're mine too, Sam.
Hey, Mike.
How are you?
Good to see you, bud.
My gosh, good to see you.
And
I'm glad you guys are here.
Thanks.
Left hand. Good to see you.
I'm glad we know each other. And we're friends.
Ahead.
The boat is set up for fire alarms and smoke alarms. We've never had any problem.
What's wrong? Yeah.
But actually, I met John B.
I actually met John.
What'd you have?
I wouldn't call it typical.
That's why I had to go sign the papers after I had all the holes put in.
Hello, guys.
Yay.
Having lunch with all the folks?
Oh my God!
That's going to be a heron.
A heron or an egret?
No, that's a what? Great. Take pictures
Oh,
of
yeah.
us.
Look at all the boat dollies.
The boat dollies, that's right.
Okay, Alan. What do you want to say to Sherry?
Well, wish you were here. We're having a great time. You're missing some great views, but you'll get to see this next time.
Okay.
You don't know which one
The clouds.
Yeah.
I got my verbs and my nouns all turned around. I'm sitting there going, well, shit, now why can't I not speak? I can't speak English.
Yeah.
Benny?
Just like the rest of us.
It's the 39th anniversary.
You got sound on it too? Yeah.
Hey, when I catch this,
Grab that table.
is that Dutch?
Yeah, that Dutch. honest this is out here. They're worse than
Yeah, Mike, are you and Earl going to go to and bring, or am I going to have to come get Janet?
Where?
Well, see you soon.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Nice trip. Enjoyed.
Thank you.
Okay.
All these old people.
That's nice. Nice trip.
It was a